Hi, my name's Peter Googe with Kuhn and behind me here we have the Accelerator 8010, and this machine's equipped with our Smart Soil Technology control system. With Smart Soil Technology, or SST, as well as all the great features that we have on the 8010, you get the ability to control the machine directly from the tractor cab using an ISOBUS display. As we've been developing the Accelerator range over the years, we've started to realize that we have more and more customers out there who really want the ability to adjust the machine and customize the output of that machine to field conditions as they go through the field without having to get down out of the tractor cab and go and make those adjustments on the machine itself. By bringing all the controls into the cab for the first time, we give the operator the ability to truly optimize the output of the machine to given conditions. The things that we can adjust with the SST system are working depth, front gang angle and rear gang angle, and we can adjust those gang angles independently from one another. We can do the front rear leveling of the machine, and we can also adjust the wing down pressure and the star wheel down pressure, as well as lifting those star wheels out of the ground to prevent them balling up when we start getting into those wetter conditions. Something that really sets Kuhn SST system aside from other ISOBUS tillage control systems on the market are the way that we set up our presets. So a preset is a predetermined set of settings, a given depth, given gang angle, etc., that you can set the machine to with just the tap of a button, and we provide 8 preset slots on the SST system. Now, what you can also do is activate our preset only mode. So with this mode activated, the operator can only use the presets. They can't adjust the different functions independently of one another, and that preset only mode is protected with a passcode. We know that we have customers out there who have operators that they don't want to give full adjustment capability to for one reason or another. They want to be able to tell that operator that, okay, in this section of the field you're going to use these settings. You're going to use 5-degree gang angle, you're going to run at 2 inches of depth. And in this area of the field, we want to do a little more residue incorporation. We want to run at 6 degrees or 7 degrees of gang angle and maybe work a little deeper at 4 inches depth. But they don't want that operator to be able to do just everything that SST can do. Activate that preset only mode, and then they can just switch between those 2 settings, and the customer then, the machine owner, has good confidence that the machine's really being used how he wants it to be used by used as, and setting that field tillage up as they really want to use it. SST is, as I mentioned, ISOBUS. We're AEF certified, so a person can verify that their tractor or third-party ISOBUS display is going to be compatible with SST before even making a machine purchase. With the sensors that we're using on the machine to detect gang angle and depth, we have redundancy built in, so if one sensor goes out, we always have a backup. And of course, if there was ever an ultimate failure of the electronic system for any reason, we can always switch it over to manual control and just control everything using hydraulics without the ISOBUS at all. So there should really never get into a situation where we truly have a machine down and an operator can't just finish the field or just finish the season. If you'd like any more information on the Accelerator, Smart Soil Technology, or anything in the Kuhn range, you can visit your local dealer or go online and view all our product information at Kuhn.com.